everybody, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate y'all stopping by JS Farms on YouTube. That's right, we are back in the shop. We are doing still some shop build on this flatbed. I know y'all are getting tired of watching flatbed videos, but you know, that's all we're doing right now. So for us right now, you know, everything's in a standstill. We're still dry. Yes, we're very dry still. Hadn't had much rain at all since July. Had about 3 inches of snow that was all went away, and you know, we're dry. So there ain't much to do except just shop stuff, get ready for this next 21 is going to be awesome. We're going to get ready. We're going to be conservative, but we're going to be good. But in this episode of the bed build, we're going to be flipping the bed upside down. So stay tuned for that. It ain't very pretty, but we'll let y'all decide. Don't try this at home. Here you go. Do a little tip maintenance today. Oh, every once in a while I rack out a tip on my wire welder torch. So just a little old, I run 035 wire. Just so, you know, I hadn't even mentioned anything about my welder much. I bought it from a good friend of mine that farms south of Portales. And I ain't gonna mention names, but I used to be a firefighter with his son. Yes, I was an OX firefighter. If you call me that, I was an EMT firefighter. There it is. I was an EMT firefighter for the city of Clovis Clovis, New Mexico, for about 8 months, 9 months. And then I was a Portales firefighter for 2 years, maybe a little over. And I was an EMT intermediate in New Mexico only. I'm cleaning all the junk out of my thing here, but it was an EMT intermediate IV tech, and I could give out several drugs, you know, some pain meds with some doctor's orders, and you know, IVs, IV solution, lactated regulars, whatever it called for. Did a lot of transfers, did a lot of, I was also a firefighter, firefighter 1 and 2. I don't know if any of that, you know, makes any sense to any of y'all, but anyway, I was also a fire instructor 1, I think it was, fire officer 1, maybe 2. On top of that, ropes tech. There's all kind of certs that don't matter much anymore. We let all that stuff go. I guess I still have my fire, but I don't know if I do or not. But it don't matter. I just don't do that anymore. But anyway, bought it from a good friend of mine that farms down there. He bought a new one, digital one, so he could weld aluminum. I'm gonna put this shut back on. So he could weld aluminum, and he sold me his old one. So she's working now. But anyway, I've had it for 10 years, and it's a pretty good machine. I'll show it to you right quick. What I was working on here was my TIG wand, not my TIG wand, my wire welder wand. And I was putting a new tip on there. You can see the new tip. And I'll have all that all ready for in the morning. And I'll put a new welding lead on here. Oh, last year before. Turn off my bottle. This is empty pretty well. I'm gonna replace it in the morning. But yeah, I'm running 035 wire. I just changed the other day, and I'm running a little wick deal there to kind of lube the wire. And there's my feeder there. I just put on a new roll of wire, and sometimes it works good and sometimes it don't. There's my chart. Anyway, it's a Millermatic 250. That's what it is, and it's pretty simple. It's an older one, but it works pretty good. It really does. If I won't step on the cord and ruin my little liner there. But anyway, got a lot done today, and finishing up for today. We're gonna change out some bottle tomorrow. I'm gonna get a wire junction box. I got them coming into O'Reilly's, our local O'Reilly's. That's an awesome place to shop, by the way. I'm not endorsing them, but I'm just saying for our little local O'Reilly's, they're pretty top notch. So's our CarQuest also is top notch. I don't shop at AutoZone much, but you know, every time I do, they're good people too. But really do O'Reilly's it caters to the farmers, and our CarQuest really caters to the farmers. So they sell us diesel oil, change their tires, everything at that place. But anyway, I bought some junction boxes for this there, and they had to order them, and they'll be in the morning. So the junction boxes where I can tie in all the wires, all professional. I'm not professional, but maybe it'll help me become a professional a little bit. So anyway, thank you for coming by and watching, and you know, God bless, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.